Hello students, today we will solve exercise 4.2 which is based on solution of a linear equation. As you saw in video also, solution it means values of x and y which satisfy the equation are called solution. Let's take one example to understand it. There is equation of linear equation in two variable x plus y equals 7. If we substitute in place of x 0, what we find? 0 plus y equals 7, y equal 7. So if we substitute x equals 0, in that case we find y equals 0. And how we can write this solution? We can write solution in ordered pair. First we will write the value of x and then we will write the value of y. So this is the first solution of this equation. If we substitute in place of x 1, then we will find 1 plus y equals 7, y equal, this one will shift into right hand side and we will get minus 1, y equals 7 minus 1, it means 6. So for the value of x equal 1, value of y is 6. And how we can write this solution in ordered pair? 1 comma 6. This is the second solution. Student, similarly you can substitute the values of x or the values of y and then after that you find the corresponding values of the other variable. In this manner we can find infinite many solutions of a linear equation in two variables. Question number 1 of exercise 4.2 is which one of the following option is true and why? Y equal 3x plus 5 has a unique solution, only two solutions, infinite many solution. As we already seen student, if any equation we substitute the value of any variable, then we can easily find the corresponding value of other variable. And we will if we proceed this process, we can find infinite many solutions of any of the linear equation in two variable. So in this particular example, y equal 3x plus 5, we can get infinite many solution. Question number 2 of this exercise is write 4 solutions of each of the following equations. And first equation is 2x plus y equals 7 and we have to find the 4 solutions. So let's substitute first x equal 0. When you substitute x equals 0, 2 into 0 plus y equals 7. 2 into 0 it means 0 plus y equals 7. Y equal, we will get 7. So for x equals 0, the corresponding value of y is 7. So our first solution is 0 comma 7. This one is your first solution. And for finding second solution, let's substitute y equal 0. If you substitute y equals 0, 2x plus 0 equals 7. 2x equals 7. So x equals 7 upon 2. So the second solution will be 7 upon 2 comma 0. This one is our second solution. Now we have to find two more solutions. Let's substitute x equal 1. 2 into 1 plus y equals 7. 2 ones are 2 plus y equals 7. Y equals 7 minus 2. Y equal 5. So the third solution will be 1 comma 5. This one is our third solution. And we have to find fourth one also. Let's substitute y equal 1. If you substitute x value, then you will find the corresponding value of y. And when you substitute the value of y, then you will find the corresponding value of x. 2x plus 1 equals 7. This plus 1 will shift into right hand side. We will get 7 minus 1. 2x equals 6. X equals 6 upon 2, which is equal to 3. So the fourth solution is 3 comma 1. These are the four solutions of this particular equation 2x plus y equal 7. Second part of this second question is pi x plus y equal 9. Again we have to find here four solutions. Let's start. Again we will substitute x equal 0. Then we will find pi into 0 plus y equal 9. It means we will find y equal 9. So the first solution is 0, 9. Now we will substitute y equals 0. You can substitute any of the value. Y equals 0, then we will find pi x plus 0 equal 9. Pi x equal 9. So x will be 9 upon pi. So the second solution will be 9 upon pi comma 0. Similarly, we will find third and fourth also. X equal 1. Let's substitute x equal 1. Pi into 1, it means pi, plus y equal 9. Y equal 9 minus pi. So the third solution is 1 comma 9 minus pi. Fourth, substitute y equal 1. Pi into x plus 1 equal 9. Pi x equal, this plus 1 will shift into right hand side. Pi x equal 8. X equal 8 upon pi. So the fourth solution is 8 upon pi comma 1. These are the four solutions of this second part. Next question is x equal 4y. Again we have to find four solution. Let's substitute. Again x equal 0, 0 equal 4y, and then you find y equal 0 upon 4. It means 0. So the first solution is 0 comma 0, and this is the coordinate of origin. It means when we make graph for this equation, this line will pass through origin. Then y equals 0. If you substitute y equals 0, then again you will find x equal 0. So we substitute, let y equal 1. Then x equal 4 into 1, x equal 4. So the second solution is 4 comma 1. And if substitute x equal 1, 1 equal 4y, 1 upon 4 equal y. So the third solution will be 1 comma 1 upon 4. And for finding fourth one, we can substitute. Now I am substituting here negative value. It means you can substitute any of the value. Y equal minus 1. Then we will find x equal 4 into minus 1. X equal minus 4. So the fourth solution is minus 4 comma minus 1. These are the four solutions. Question number 3 is, check which of the solutions of the equation x minus 2y equal 4 and which are not. And these are the solution given. Student, in this question, equation is x minus 2y equal 4 and 5 solutions are also given here. And you have to find which is the solution of this equation and which is not. So first we will start from solution 0 comma 2. It means if you substitute in place of 0 and in place of 2, if you are finding 4, then 0 comma 2 is a solution of x minus 2y equal 4. Otherwise it is not a solution of given equation. So our equation is x minus 2y equal 4. If we substitute x equal 0 and y equal 2 in this particular equation, let's see in left hand side what we will find. 0 minus 2 comma 2, which is equal to minus 4. But here the value of right hand side is 4. You can easily see LHS is not equal to RHS. So 0 comma 2 is not a solution. Is it clear, student? If LHS is equal to RHS, in that case only the given point is a solution, otherwise not. Let's solve for this point 2, 0. Our equation is x minus 2y equal 4. If we substitute in LHS x equal 2 and y equal 0, in that case we will find 2, but here right hand side is 4. Again LHS is not equal to RHS. So 2, 0 is also not a solution of given equation. And the third part is 4, 0. Let's substitute again the values of x and y. LHS x minus 2y. Here the value of x is 4 and the value of y is 0. When you simplify this, you will get 4. And the RHS is also 4. It is given in the question. RHS is also 4. So for this question, you can easily see LHS is equal to RHS. So 4, 2 is a solution of given equation. Okay, student. Fourth point is given here, root 2, 4 root 2. Let's solve for this point also. Left hand side, x minus 2y, x equal root 2 and y equal 4 root 2. Simplify this, root 2 as it is, 4 2s are 8 root 2. These are like terms, and when you subtract this, you will get minus 7 root 2. And what was our RHS? RHS was 4. So here again LHS is not equal to RHS. So root 2, 4 root 2 is not a solution. Okay, student. Fifth point is 1, 1. Let's again solve LHS. X minus 2y in place of x1, in place of y again 1. 1 minus 2, we will get minus 1. And RHS is your 4. Again LHS is not equal to RHS. So 1, 1 is not a solution of given equation. Okay, student. Last question of this exercise is, and this question is very important, student. Find the value of k if x equal 2 and y equal 1 is a solution of the equation 2x plus 3y equal k. As you can easily see here, student, solution is given and there is a unknown value. Constant term is unknown here. So with the help of this solution, we have to find the value of k. So just we have to substitute in place of x2 and in place of y1. Then we can easily find the value of k. So how we will start? Since x equal 2 and y equal 1 is a solution of 2x plus 3y equal k. So these values satisfies the equation, and when it satisfies, we will substitute the value of x2 and in place of y1 equals to k. Just you have to simplify this. 2 2s are 4, 3 1s are 3 equals to k. When you add, you will get 7. So the value of k is 7. This one is very important, student. Again, I am repeating this question. If x equal 2 and y equal 1 is a solution, then you have to find the value of k. Just for finding the value of k, you have to substitute x equal 2 and y equal 1, and when you simplify this, you will get value of k, and value of k is 7.